Over the years, this tailpiece really wore into this top, made these deep grooves. Also, it looks like the top laminations are becoming separated. It's missing a piece of the veneer on the top. First, I'm going to address this issue with the tailpiece. Still got this overhang, and I'm just going to go ahead, try to remove that, clean that up. Now I've got it just slightly below the surface, which is right where I want it. That way there, when I fill this and sand it, I can sand it perfectly flush. Now I just have to cut this out without breaking it. I'm going to trace underneath it and cut it out carefully with a blade. It's going to be a little oversized. That's what I'm going to cut out right there. remember I had these. Well, it's about as far as I got this week. But next week, I know. If you watch my channel a lot, I say next week a lot. But I'm telling you, next week, I've got another video. If you're still watching this video, you better be subscribed, because that means you like something going on here and you probably want to see more. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everyone.